Welcome back to MYCPE ONE. Exciting times. We've handpicked the top 10 courses for April. And this is always to keep you ahead in tax, auditing, finance, HR, and technology. Let's go ahead and begin the countdown. So we're at number 10. We have TCJA 2.0, Strategies for Changing Marginal Tax Rates by Drew Stevens. Stay ahead of legislative shifts and learn how to strategize around evolving tax brackets under the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. Number 9, Workplace Bullying and Effective Strategies for a Better Environment by Francine Greasy. Equip yourself with practical HR strategies to combat workplace bullying and foster a healthier organizational culture. Number 8 is Post-Tax Season Power Hour. Updates, issues, IRS insights, and crypto changes by Jason Dennison and Nicholas Prush. Unpack post-season developments and key updates, including insights from the IRS and crypto taxation trends. Coming in at number 7, we have Nonprofit Financial Reporting and 2 CFR 200 Changes by Gregory Holtzel. Navigate the latest changes in nonprofit accounting standards and federal compliance regulations with confidence. Number 6, Valuation of Private Companies and Startups by Gregory Holtzel. Here, you'll learn how to accurately assess the value of privately held businesses and startups using real-world techniques. Number 5, we have What Clients Really Want from Advisory Services by Shane Lucas. Discover how to align your advisory approach with client expectations and drive deeper value in your services. Number 4, Child Support Garnishments, What Payroll Doesn't Know Can Hurt You by Vicki Lambert. Ensure compliance by understanding the complexities of garnishment rules and payroll responsibilities. Top 3, we have Security by Design. Strengthening SaaS Product Security and Trust by Jorge Carrillo. Explore how to build secure SaaS products that protect user data while earning long-term trust. Number 2 is Using AI to Audit Smarter, Not Harder by Elizabeth McDowell. Learn how to leverage artificial intelligence to streamline audits as well as enhance accuracy. Taking the top spot at number 1, we have Cash Flow Management, Principles, Risks, and Best Practices by Dr. Robert Benetti. Master the essentials of cash flow analysis to reduce risk and improve financial health. Some bonus courses to check out. Fund Accounting Compliance, Managing Restricted Funds under GAAP by Gregory Holtzel. Ensure accurate reporting and compliance when managing restricted funds in nonprofits and government entities. Another one is State-Approved Ohio CPA Ethics course by Albert Spalding. Fulfill your Ohio ethics requirements with real-world scenarios and ethical decision-making frameworks. Another one is California Wage Laws, 2025 Compliance Essentials by Vicki Lambert. Stay up to date with California's complex wage and hour laws to ensure full compliance in 2025. Mastering PowerPoint, Impressed with Every Slide by Terry Winship. Learn how to create stunning presentations that communicate clearly and professionally. And another bonus course to check out, Standards for Tennessee CPAs, State-Specific Ethics 2025 by Perry Moore. Meet Tennessee's ethics requirements and stay informed on the latest professional conduct standards. This is the month of April's top 10 courses on MyCPE ONE. Whether you want to grow your advisory services, maybe strengthen your audit skills, improve compliance, we've got something valuable for everyone. Subscribe to MyCPE ONE today and unlock unlimited access to these courses and many, many more. Visit mycpe.com to elevate your professional expertise. Now stay tuned for next month's top courses and continue expanding your skills with our expert-led sessions. For now, goodbye.